video of our bids, so how much you think we spent?
How much do you think we spent?
Ask her first. I thought there was 3 before.
You're busy. We need someone on the other end.
350. I'm sorry. I have no idea. You have to guess. You go first. What do you think? Go. 530. 80. 535. 75. Yeah.
Everything's $1. I thought that's what everybody said. It's a dollar store. Everything's $1. Everything in the store is $1.
How much do you think we spent?
We'll have a good bill. We'd have a good bill if everything was just $1.
$7.95.
Good Lord. How much do you think we spent?
Did you say 100?
I don't know. Maybe about 600.
Wow. How much do you think we spent?
150.